I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mojito soda at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1/2 of a lime, and 2 teaspoons of sugar or simple syrup. Don't forget your club soda or sparkling water, about 4 to 6 ounces per serving. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the fun part, muddling. Place your mint leaves and sugar into a sturdy glass. Gently press and twist with a muddler to release the mint's aromatic oils. Be careful not to shred the leaves, we want to bruise them. Then, pour in the freshly squeezed lime juice. This combination creates the vibrant base for your refreshing mojito soda. With your muddled base ready, it's time to assemble your drink. Fill your glass about 2/3 full with ice cubes. Next, slowly pour 4 to 6 ounces of chilled club soda or sparkling water over the mixture. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. Take a quick taste and adjust the sweetness or add a bit more lime if you like. To complete your perfect mojito soda, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh mint sprig, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, makes a lovely addition. You can also place a lime wedge or wheel on the rim of your glass for an extra touch. Serve your homemade mojito soda immediately and savor its crisp, refreshing taste. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.